This is my new puppy, Jayce. Oh, he is so cute. I love him. I got him yesterday. And he's so tiny. Look at my hand. He's so cute. And I got all this laying on my carpet for when he pees. But he's only been peeing inside 3 times and all the other times outside. Tonight, when it was his first night here, Jayce. And when he was sleeping in his bed next to my bed, and then I heard him wake up, and then he was just sitting there staring at me, and that means that he needed to go out and pee, and then he did. And then he came back inside and slept again for an hour or 2 hours or something. Yeah, just once in a while I just take him outside to pee. You're so big. He loves to play. You're so wild. Look at his cute bandana. He doesn't really like to have it on because he's not used to having anything on his neck, and it's very long, as you can see. Hey, got a lot of toys, and he loves to be here in my trailer. And I got my room finished. So we have been sleeping. I have been sleeping out here for the first time. Just gonna show you my room very quick. So this is my room. If you want to see a room tour, just comment down below. And I put this extra carpet on for when if he should pee. It's under there. And tonight, this night he peed or he pooped in here. But yeah, he haven't done anything inside ever since. Come on, come baby. And he loves to sleep in that one, and I sleep there obviously. Jayce, come on, Jayce. Jayce, no. Oh my God, baby. He loves to chew on anything he can. He is so happy. Yeah. So this little boy will be in a ton of my videos with my reborns. Right? He will be 8 weeks old in 2 days. On Saturday. It's just the cutest little thing. Jayce. I think I'm gonna take him outside and see if he can pee. Jayce. No. Don't. Stop. You are so Jayce. I think you have to go. Come on. It's like having a baby. Like you have to get up so many times at the night, and but you know that's how it is. Are you peeing? Oh, you're peeing. Good boy. Yeah, yeah. Good boy. He's so tiny and cute. Jayce, Jayce. Come on, come. Jayce. What are you doing? After he's been playing for a bit, I put him up here on this blanket, or not really a blanket, it's from like this thing, and then he sleeps because it's hard to play. I don't know what you're doing right now, but he's just staring. Jayce. I love him so much.